Hit about, I don't know, a minute after I set it up. Fishing for channel cats. Working a 3-way slip sinker rig right here. On a cheap heavy duty spinning outfit. So I don't have money right now for an army of expensive bait casters, but looking for a trophy. Using cut bait right now. This is definitely not a trophy though, he's coming in pretty fast. Feels like a little channel. Probably a little channel cat. One tough spot about this, tough thing about this spot is I gotta get him up over this wall here. That's the trick. I might even be able to lift this one. That's how small he is. It's only like a 5-pounder. At best, 4 or 5-pounder. Yeah, 4-pounder I'd say. 23, 24 incher. Little eater cat. Feels like I got another smaller one maybe? Maybe it's a turtle. I don't know, he's barely nipping at it. It's definitely an animal on the end of this line, I'll tell you that much. This might be a turtle, man. He was hitting in a really strange way. Feels like I'm hitting rocks, pulling them in. I don't know. We'll see here. No, it's a cat. And I swore this was a turtle. Another cat in the cut bait. A little bit better one. Yeah, that's a decent one. Man, he wasn't fighting hard at all. Let's see, what do I do with him? I gotta figure out how to get down there. Grab him very carefully without sliding in. Yeah, he's okay sized. About average. Still, the last one is definitely below average. Oh man. Alright. Show him to you quick. This one might be just a tad below average too. Skinny 25 inch or so, roughly. Really skinny. Surprised I was getting those smaller ones so far. Expecting some 10-pounders here at least. At least some 8s, you know. What the heck did I just catch here on the cut bait? I think I just got a pike. Oh, that is unreal. I got a pike in the middle of the night. First time for everything, I guess. These guys aren't known to hit in the middle of the night. Put it to you that way. Oh, that's amazing. It's not a big pike, but that's really cool. First pike I've gotten at 2 a.m. Yep, circle. Got him right in the corner of the mouth on the circle hook too. He's about 28, 29 inches. Man, that's so cool. Circle hook saved me from getting cut off too. Wow, I would have never ever guessed I'd get this. That's so cool. So I started fishing last night like, I don't know, 2 or a little bit before 2. Maybe a little before. I got all 3 of those fish in half an hour. So it was a good, decent, steady bite. Then I couldn't buy a bite the rest of the night. So I came here around sunrise. Set up a few poles. The cut bait, 3-way slip sinker rigs with circle hooks. Oh, here's the first fish. I don't know what it is. Alright, another catfish. Looks like a better one. Looks like a decent one. I only got a glimpse at him, but should be wearing my polarized glass. I didn't think about that. Oh, he's not that big. Man, they keep looking bigger than they really are. Last night they did too. I saw a flash last night and it looked way bigger than it was. Yeah, this is just another skinnier, smaller one. I still don't want to force them. Yeah. So many skinny ones. They're all spawned out now. Surprised. It seems a little early. Water's still pretty cold. Maybe not all of them, but there's a lot of them that are. And I think it's still maybe just a hair better than the ones last night, maybe. It's an okay one. Yeah, it's probably a 27 incher. Oh man, I fell asleep for a little while. Oh cool, I think I got another pike. Oh my gosh, this is crazy. I've got pike on cut bait before. I caught one on a bratwurst once in another video, but not very often. This is so cool. Don't cut me off, baby. Come on in gently. Gently. This is a nice one. A little nicer than the last one. Gently. Don't cut me off right here. Come on. Awesome. What a beauty. Oh wow. What a beauty. That's what I was hoping for. Something nice. Oh yeah. Whoa, shoot, 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 shoot. That's a 3-footer right there. That's a master angler pike. Try and be gentle with him. Might be 3-footer. That's a real beauty right there, wow. My gosh. On a piece of cut bait. That is so cool.